Did you know that Bloomers dips all of their wreaths? Well, you do because your hands have been full of Wilt Stop. That Wilt Stop is something that we just make a big vat of it. We dip all of our wreaths, and it secures them from not drying out. It basically encapsulates the foliage, and that it's a natural product.
What's that word you use all the time? Something?
Anti-transparent.
Yes, sir.
That's an anti-transparent. Anyway, what that basically says is it's not going to allow the water that's encapsulated in the branch, in the cut tree, to escape and dry out. So it seals that water in. It is clear. It's a clear film. It sometimes will make your tree look almost like a little shinier.
Shiny, yeah.
Yeah, because it's basically a pine-based resin that is sprayed on the tree, and it certainly extends the life of all of your greens, whether that's roping or wreaths or bunches of greens or what have you. Anywhere you can do that, and it's made specifically for your outdoor plants. So if you're spraying it on your broadleafed evergreens, that's what you want to do. But please follow the instructions that are on the package. There are some plants that you don't want to do. They would need to be fully dormant. And again, that is all spelled on the package. Anytime we do recommendations, make sure that you read the label first, okay? Because your conditions may vary from how we're suggesting to use it. So again, it's used for cut evergreens, but please read the instructions. It's something that you definitely want to pick up. Wilt Stop is used everywhere. So
it extends it.
Yep. And if you have some left over after Christmas, you spray down your plants.
Oh, yeah.
Your plants will thank you. Do you have a landscape, garden, or plant question? If so, call or text us using the Bloomers in the Garden hotline. Dial 609-685-1880. That's 609-685-1880. And we'll see you in the garden.